Alright guys, in this video we've got a light set to put onto our TRX4. Pat's got a set, I've got a set. If you look on here, the official Traxxas kit, £85 here in the UK. But we've got ours from China, £16. Now you don't get that light bar, but that was only going to get smashed off anyway.
The only thing is we didn't get any instructions, did we? So
yeah.
This is going to be a guessing game, I should imagine.
The bulb's going, mate.
Come on!
You're not going to make it better by lumping it.
Yeah, when in doubt, give it a clout. Oh!
What was that?
There's a bit of turbine up there.
Oh my god!
That come off for this. If you didn't see that video, that's one of our funniest videos we've ever done.
I think we laughed for 3 hours after that video.
Oh yeah. Right, there's no instructions here. We ain't got a clue what we're doing. So I just found some instructions on AliExpress. And by the looks of it, you've got to wire this thing actually into your receiver box. So you've got brake lights, indicators, accelerator, all that stuff. But I don't want to do that on mine. I only want the headlights to be on and the tail lights to be on. And I want to keep a separate battery box in here somewhere. So I can just keep that body completely separate to all my other bodies. So I'm going to bodge this up and just cut these plugs off and see if I can wire them directly to a battery. But Pat is doing it the proper way. He's got his picture there. Alright, so a little trick to strip your wires. That's what I do anyway. Just get a lighter out, heat up the end, pull it off like that.
You're going to regret that.
And then I'm just going to wire these lights straight to the battery. And I'm guessing it's going to be this end here. So let's just cut that off and see what happens. Pat thinks it's not going to work. Oh!
I see something break.
It just flashed and maybe it's too many volts.
I'll never see that.
Oh. For some reason, this idiot here cut these wires off, so now he's got to solder them back on.
You do it to yourself.
All that I've got to do now is sandwich the lights in here, plump in your circuit board, stick the cover back on.
Watch this shit.
Alright, I'm all done. There's the front lights, back lights, it's a bit of a bodge. So I've hot glued the circuit board to the back and I'm using an external battery pack just cable tied in here. And I've just kind of randomly just plugged these wires in sort of anywhere where it made the lights come on, and then just plugged the battery lead into there. So I've got no indicators, all I've got is headlights and backlights. Pat's doing it properly, but he's looking at someone else's YouTube video because he hasn't got a clue how to do it, and neither have I. Looking complicated.
The lights don't stay on. Right, I'll do this. Get some lightage. Only when you're flipping moving. And when you're going slow, we're having a flipping party. Big box, little box. Defeated.
Defeated. So I think we killed it. Sort of.
Don't know. Started to go like a strobe.
So my body shell's ready to go, but my TRX4 isn't. So we're just going to chuck my body onto this one for now and just take it out the back for a little blast. Should we get it outside? It's spooky out here. You know, there's ghosts out there. Hey! Yes. I like a little bit more speed. Faster! Faster!
I'm trying.
Oh!
Oh no!
It's not a shelf queen anymore.
No more. That's not shelf queen, mate.